Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Sorry I haven't been posting enough lately as I normally do. I just got a little busy, but I am back with another DIY video, so let's get into it. Okay, so here I have my Pringle box. You can either use the big box or the smaller ones. I started off by painting it white just to make sure that I had a single color underneath when I spray painted it. Now I used some faux flowers because I had this lying in the house. You can basically use whatever you want. I detached the flowers from the stems and some leaves too. So here I've mixed plaster of Paris with some water. There's no recipe for it, just eyeball the quantity of water to the powder till you get like a smooth mixture. Now to this mixture I added some liquid glue. I used white glue from Camlin because that's what I had, but you can use Mod Podge or Elmer's as well. Again, just eyeball the quantity and mix it very well. Just don't add too much because you might end up with some stretchy, slimy consistency which you do not want. Then I just dunked in the flowers and made sure they were evenly coated with the mixture. Also just kind of like twirl it around to get rid of any excess and then set it down to dry. I am using my test tube stand from high school from like 4 years ago. Yes, I still have it. I'm a keeper, okay? After the flowers and leaves were completely dry, I started gluing them to the box using my glue gun, but they started falling off after a while. So I switched to a heavy duty glue called Flex Quick. The link is in the description box below. So I just went on arranging the flowers as I liked it, and another thing to keep in mind is that do not stick the flowers on just one side of the box because the box is going to tumble with the weight. Instead, do it on opposite sides or cover the entire thing. So this is how it looked after sticking the flowers. And now all that's left to do is spray paint it. I used my favorite gold spray paint for this one. Again, it's linked down below. and you're done. That easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!